Instagram, how to make highlights. If you want to make highlights on Instagram, all you have to do is make sure to launch the Instagram application here. Now let me just try to switch an account. Now what are highlights? Highlights are some of your past stories that have been saved on your archive that you can later add to your highlights. So let's say I want to create a new highlight, right? Once I come to my profile page, I can tap the new button right here and I can select all my past stories. So these are all my past stories that have expired, or maybe there's a current story. I can select these stories right here like this. When I've done that, I can tap the next option. I can simply give this highlight a name, and when I do that, basically I can also edit the cover of the highlight. So I can tap on edit cover right here. I can upload a cover image from my gallery, or I can simply choose a frame from one of my stories like this, and I can tap the done button. That way we have created a highlight. Let's say in the future you want to edit that highlight. So maybe you want to add or remove it. For that, you just long press that particular highlight and tap on the edit button. And when you tap the edit button, basically you can choose to uncheck these if you want to remove this, and go to stories tab to check new stories that you want to add to your highlight and tap the done button. If you want to delete a highlight, the whole highlight, long press on it and tap the delete or the archive button. This way you can make Instagram highlights. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.